party going on, I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat.
Hi guys, it feels like it's been 17 years since I posted a travel video, but the borders just opened last week, and by the time you watch this, I will be finished with my internship, so I'm hoping I can go somewhere a bit more exotic, as much as I hate that word, very soon. So fingers crossed. In this video I'm visiting the city of Mons with my sisters, situated 56 kilometers south of Brussels in the Wallonia region, a city I had never been to before, so I was curious to see what it had to offer. On our way to the city center, we stumble upon this sculpture. It is called Lucie et les papillons, so Lucie and the butterflies, and it is in the middle of the Roosevelt Square. The artist, David Mesguich, I'm pretty sure I just butchered that name, wanted it to represent the innocence and the purity of a child, and he was inspired by his own daughter, after whom he named the sculpture. We had lunch on the beautiful Grand Place, which reminds me a lot of the Grand Place in Brussels. In the center, on the cobbles themselves, the blue stone ring symbolizes the 19 municipalities of Mons. Unfortunately, I couldn't get them on camera because I was too busy filming a dog pooping.
Monsieur, you pooped on the floor. Please do something about it. A little shame.
And also, when there is not a lethal virus running around playing Ted Bundy, there are bars and restaurants all around the square, so you can sit and enjoy the view. But you're my best view. We wanted to go to the BAM, which is a pretty famous art museum, but because of the pandemica, and as museums were the only indoor activity possible, it was sold out. And I was told I had to book at least 2 weeks in advance, like, bestie, I don't even know what I want to have for dinner tonight, and you expect me to book a museum 2 weeks from now? Are you that mentally enslaved and intellectually subservient and intellectually molested and ideologically molested? I really need to delete TikTok for when I start writing my thesis. I obviously spend way too much time on it. We then went to the Parc du Château, Park of the Castle, to have a look at the Belfry. The Belfry has been watching over the city since the 17th century. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is the only Baroque Belfry in Belgium. I have no idea how you pronounce Baroque in English. The entrance to the park itself is free. However, if you want to climb up the Belfry itself and enjoy a panoramic view of the city, then it'll cost you between 6 and 9 euros. Which we didn't do because it was too windy and we were cold and wanted to go home, and also we didn't want to spend 9 euros to be cold, basically. Okay, thanks.
Comment ça va les petits baraquis? Comment ça va? Malotti, il y a 4 heures. J'ai trop chaud, j'aurais pas dû mettre de veste. Attends, si j'ai trop chaud, je vais mettre ma veste sur toi et je vais te la faire bouffer. Malotti maintenant. Arrête. Quelle température il fait, Malotti?
Moins 10 000.
Non seulement elle met sa veste, mais l'écharpe de notre soeur, et la capuche, et le masque, et tout. Hein. Ah mon Dieu.
Mais moi je suis malade, j'ai le corona.
Arrête. Ah, dégaine.
Elle est toujours à trop elle. Oh là 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 là.
J'ai failli tomber en arrière. Non mais faut la voir d'ici. Regarde là. Betty, ça va?
T'en prie, rentre.
Ah!
Les deux qui mangent un tacos. Hé, mais t'as cru quoi, toi? T'as des rétrous, Satanas.
And that's already the end of today's video. I really enjoyed spending the day in Mons, but I didn't get to experience its true potential due to obvious reasons. So it's definitely a city that I have to visit again when the pandemic is over, if it is ever the case one day. I'm starting to lose hope, not gonna lie. In the meantime, if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. Tell me in the comments down below which Belgian city I should visit next. If you liked my bubbly personality, don't forget to subscribe. I usually post once a week, every Wednesday 8 PM, GMT+2, so stay tuned for that. Bye!